More should not come. Topic name, write down conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. Again start. Write down a galvanometer is converted. A galvanometer is converted into an ammeter by connecting a low resistance by connecting a low resistance by connecting a low resistance by connecting a low resistance. Okay, bracket low resistance means Sanjay. Low resistance what name? Sanjay, low resistance what name? Balaji, Sanjay, what name? Low resistance
Shanta,
means
sir.
shunt. Very good. So bracket I don't shunt. SHUNT shunt. Bracket I don't shunt. Bracket I don't shunt. In parallel, in parallel, in parallel, in parallel with galvanometer. In parallel with galvanometer.
Sir, after this diagram or continuation of
First
low
write down
resistance, sir.
after diagram. First all should continue write down, sir. First all should continue write down. Again start diagram. Diagram already teach, sir. This is no new diagram.
Sir, one more time
A
explain that, sir.
okay, a
What
galvanometer. Write down a galvanometer is converted into an ammeter by connecting a low resistance by connecting a low low resistance bracket shunt 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 bracket shunt in parallel with galvanometer full stop. Now diagram write down. All students.
Sir, can you say this again, sir?
Again,
Second point.
a galvanometer is converted into an ammeter with connecting a low resistance bracket shunt in parallel with galvanometer full stop. Diagram complete. All student diagram write down, sir. All student diagram write down. Parallel means what condition? All students tell. Parallel means current same ki voltage same. Sukas. Parallel means
voltage same.
Voltage same. Means this to this point, this circuit or this circuit what same? Tell me. Current same ki voltage same? Lachita, current same ki voltage same? Sanjay, what same?
Voltage, sir.
Voltage same. So V is equal to IR. First V is equal to IR. So IG into G. This I minus IG into S. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So G by S. S by G is equal to, tell me. I minus Ig by G. Write down S by G is equal to I minus Ig by Ig. Write down S by G is equal to I minus Ig by Ig. Always remember, all student, this write down. Already all student know. Already this already teach na. Induja teach na this concept.
Yes, sir.
So write down S by G is equal to I minus Ig by Ig. Next point write down. Very important, very important point write down. The resistance of a meter. The resistance of a
Sir.
meter. Tell me. Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, S by G is equal to I by I minus G coming, sir.
S by.
Ig by,
Oh, I wrong.
yes, sir.
Okay. Equation correct na? Equation correct na? This equation correct na? This
Yes, sir.
I G into Ig into G is equal to I minus Ig into S. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what find? S find. S is equal to Ig by I minus Ig into G. Correct na? This correct na? This correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is right, no problem. Sorry, and my math big, sir. Already I told my math big. My math not good. Okay. Next point, write down. Very important. Next point. This concept already teach, sir. This concept already teach. Next point. Very important point. Write down all student. Resistance. Second point. Resistance of an ammeter. Resistance of an ammeter is given by 1 by A is equal to 1 by G plus 1 by S. So A is equal to GS by G plus S. This concept remember. Board NEET exam asked the question. कि ammeter, galvanometer, shunt are question given. Remember, G, A or S are known as option AP, GP, AP, GP, HP. None of these. So what condition? In Induja, what condition? AP, GP,
HP, sir.
So this type question need no IIT type question given. So 1 by A is equal to 1 by G plus 1 by S. Means A is the GM. So A is equal to GS by G plus S. All students write down. All students write down. Next, third point write down. Third point right. Sanjay G, Sanjay, you timing this. Third point right down. Third point right down. The reading of an ammeter, the reading of an ammeter is always, the reading of an ammeter is always lesser than, always lesser than the actual current of the circuit, in the circuit, the actual current in the circuit. Again repeat, third point, the reading of an ammeter, the reading of an ammeter is always lesser than, is always lesser than, is always lesser than actual current, actual current in the circuit, actual current in the circuit. Why? Why? Any student? Any student? Why? Sanjay, Balaji, Sanjay. Why? He always lesser than this actual circuit, sir. This actual circuit, this potential, the volt, this is R, or this current, sir. This current, this is E. Of this is ammeter. All should remember, this is ammeter. This ammeter. This is this. This is A. Same current, same cases. This is R, this is I, this is E. Understand? So this circuit, ammeter, the ammeter convert the galvanometer. This circuit, draw the diagram. This, yes or no? Always parallel, na? Always parallel, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are all student minimum yes sir, no sir? Tell me, sir. Only simply sitting. I beat all student. So this current parallel condition. So parallel means current divide, na? Parallel means
Yes, sir.
Current.
this current I, so totally I goes, sir. Of this current I, so this I divide two part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I divide, so this is lesser than. Na? So this current, this circuit, I is equal to what value? E by R, yes or no? I is this circuit, I is equal to E by R, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This circuit, I dash is equal to this circuit. I where I don't this place I don't this place. This place I dash is equal to what value? Tell me. I dash is equal to E by R plus A. This resistance or this reading. So R plus A, this is greater than, so this is less than. Na? So I dash is always less than I. Understand? This type question ask the exam time. This type question ask the exam time. This is board exam, board topic, not IIT and NEET topic, sir. I hope you all teacher, you teach this topic. Teach, na? This is all board topic, not IIT or NEET topic, sir. So always remember all student.
Sir, don't drop, sir.
Hi, not rough, sir. I told always remember, not told like rough. Always remember galvanometer into ammeter convert. So actual current I, this convert to I dash always lesser than. Always lesser than. Why? Board exam, if theory question, ask the question, prove that, you verify. So this diagram, some reading, I can start, sir. Sanjay, Balaji, understand? Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
Balaji, understand?
Yes,
Okay. Wait. Tomorrow, yesterday I sent one question paper. Yesterday I sent one question paper. Induja, you how many questions solve? Induja,
Sir, I didn't solve, sir. I
Why?
had many works.
Many work means your target cannot qualify, na? Very good. This statement repeat after March month, April month, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Like
no.
school work, they gave many works.
हाँ,
Sir.
तो this statement repeat, sir. This statement remember after any some problem, so you tell me, sir, my school work, so I not qualify competition, sir. You no mistake. Siddesh,
Sir,
tell me, Nitya.
sir, I tried, sir, but I didn't get answer for any of the questions. Sir.
No problem. You try to send the answer paper, na? You say I try. You try, okay. But where try, sir? You send me. I check na what problem cannot solve the question. Yeah, what concept your problem cannot answer, camp, sir.
Yes, sir, I'll send after class, sir.
Siddesh, only Sanjay, Balaji Sanjay, G Sanjay, or only Sanjay, G Sanjay or Balaji Sanjay. Only these two students, Sukas, these three students send the answers, sir. Karthikeyan, your problem. Karthikeyan,
Sir,
what problem your?
sir, network, sir.
Array, offline class, I send the question, what network?
Sir, due to network issue, I didn't download the question, sir.
Okay. Siddesh, your problem. I record, sir. All your statement I record, sir. After March, April month, again this statement I place, sir. Siddesh, your problem.
Sir,
Now tell me your problem.
sir, no problem, sir.
So why not send the answer? Okay, no problem. Very good. My home this year, three students qualify IIT, one Harivasa, one Harish 92%, sir. Sanjay, G Sanjay, this student need focus, sir. G Sanjay, this student need focus. Only study my place physics, not math. Math, a school only, no any extra class, sir. And this parents meeting, no, this I told your parents, this is this student parents, कि minimum try. देखो minimum try 92% marks, sir. Important study, sir. Important not a study ki which place you study, sir. Concept clear, you qualify, sir. Concept not clear, not qualify. Madhav to 100% not qualify. Next point write down. Next point write down. Next point write down. Conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. Voltmeter. Sometime NEET exam time ask the question ki galvanometer, I told na ki reading of ammeter is always less than. Sometime a question ki reading of ammeter is 0. Sometime question NEET student reading of ammeter is 0. Then reading ammeter circuit and actual circuit current option greater than equal to less than none of these. What option? What answer? Sanjay?
Equal.
Equal to. Because, equal to this, remember sir, reading of ammeter is 0, then actual circuit and galvanometer circuit both current same sir. This remember sir. If possible to write down any place. Reading of ammeter is 0, then actual circuit and given circuit current equal. Okay, this point write down. All should write down conversion of galvanometer into a voltmeter. So write down. Write down all students. A galvanometer is converted. A galvanometer is converted. A galvanometer is converted into a voltmeter. Into a voltmeter by connecting a high resistance. By connecting a high resistance. This remember high resistance, low resistance, low resistance is known as shunt. All the concept remember sir. Venkatesh, you understand? Venkatesh. Okay, right on. A galvanometer is converted into a voltmeter by connecting a high resistance. By connecting a high resistance. High resistance in series with galvanometer. 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 Then V is equal to Ig G plus R. V is equal to Ig G plus R. R very high. I very high. So R is equal to what value? Tell me. All students tell me I is equal to what value? V by Ig. Correct na? Minus G. This is the R value. R value very high. Write down R is equal to high resistance equal to R is equal to high resistance required in series. Required in series. Understand? Squash, you understand this line?
Yes, sir.
Next point, all is right on. Rachita, understand Rachita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rafna, Venkatesh, Siddesh.
Yes, sir. Understood.
I give the question, Siddesh, to be serious, try, sir. Not joking.
Yes, sir.
I squeeze to know, sir. Okay, next point. The resistance of a voltmeter, the resistance of a voltmeter RV is equal to R plus G. The resistance of voltmeter RV is equal to RV is equal to R plus G. R plus G. Next point, third point very important. Third point very important. Trilocates understand? Trilocates
Sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next point I don't. The reading of a voltmeter, the reading of a voltmeter, the reading of a voltmeter is always lesser than, the reading of a voltmeter is always lesser than the true value. The lesser than the true value. The true value means, remember this one resistance, actual circuit, this is R or this is I, sir. So V is equal to what value? Tell me. V is equal to IR. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Up now, this is the resistance. This is the galvanometer. Yeah, anyone. Voltmeter consider V. this resistance RV, this resistance RV. So V dash is equal to what value? V dash is equal to, tell me all student. V dash is equal to what value? V dash is equal to I R into VR, parallel condition. This is parallel, na? So parallel what condition? Tell me. Any student parallel what condition? V is V into R. Tell me. This is parallel.
RV plus
RV into
plus
R
R.
by RV plus R. This na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So V dash is equal to what value? V dash is equal to IR by, this is go down, so 1 plus R by RV. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me all students, yes or no? This line, understand? So always V dash is lesser than this.
Sir, what is the
What?
last step, sir?
This, this,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so V dash is equal to
Yes,
IR
sir.
by 1 plus R by V, R by RV, R by RV. Now tell me all student, RV tends to infinitive, RV tends to infinitive, so V dash is equal to, tell me, Lachita, tell me, RV tends to infinitive, so V dash is equal to, Karthikeyan, tell me, RV tends to infinitive, so V dash is equal to, Sanjay,
Sir, 0, sir.
beat all student, this student. So 1 by infinitive 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So IR V tends to infinitive. So 1 by V, 1 by RV. This is RV. This is RV. RV. So RV infinitive. So 1 by infinitive 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Na? Yes or no, Sanjay? Balaji Sanjay.
Oh, sorry, sir.
So RV, na, that means I is equal to, sorry, that means V is equal to V dash. Means volt resistance, this resistance infinitive, then V is equal to V dash. Remember all student. Understand? Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now write the question. All students write the question. I hope you all students solve. Only by hope. Complete. All students completed.
Yes, sir.
Write the question. Write the question. Question number 1. A starting easy question. Again, very easy question. A starting easy question. Again, very easy question. So not tough question. Write down. What shunt resistance? What shunt resistance is required? What shunt resistance is required? What shunt resistance is required to make the
Sir,
huh,
what sort of resistance, sir?
shunt, SHUNT, shunt. What shunt resistance?
Okay, sir.
What shunt resistance is required to make the 1 milliampere, to make the 1 milliampere, comma 20 ohm galvanometer, 20 ohm, 20 ohm galvanometer, 20 ohm galvanometer, write down, galvanometer into an ammeter, into an ammeter, into an ammeter, into an ammeter, into an ammeter with the range of 0 to 50, 0 to 50, 0 to 50 milliampere,
Sir, question from first, sir.
ampere. Again, repeat the question. What shunt resistance is required to make the 1 milliampere, to make the 1 milliampere, comma 20 ohm galvanometer into a meter with the range of 0 to 50 milliampere. Solve this question.
Uh, 50 ampere, sir.
50 milliampere. Your question, find the shunt find and ammeter. Two questions, sir. Shunt and ammeter find, sir.
Question again on time, sir.
Question again, one time. Write down question. What shunt resistance is required? What shunt resistance is required to make the 1 milliampere, comma 20 ohm, galvanometer.